Alright, now you can remove the else or connect it the right connected, and then inside index.php you need to create head page header, and then each one going to be home page, and that is required. Sorry. And then you need to copy the all and paste it inside new file called login.php. Inside here you need to create login. I sync in today. Okay. Inside here call md4, and inside here you need to create form post, and then action is not inside page. Auto complete is off, and then is fee username, and then input I think text username and break line and password, and then is input password is password. Okay, break line again, and bdn I think button bdn primary, and inside I wanna create sync in. Okay, that is cool. So you need to create inside here class form control. So now inside here you need to create tag php, and if empty expose false, then we echo okay for now, and see what we get. Okay, that is cool. So that means is we can already go moving on. So username and password if I think if empty username or empty password, I need two errors the username and the password is R, I think R require. So I wanna print R errors. So now let's create inside init.php. Set here need to create errors, and then as array we create. So close, and then inside function errors you need to create user I think functions errors, and then errors, and then return and plus errors p errors, and then is include br errors. Okay, that is very cool. So we can close this up. So now I can ready to move on. So now let's refresh and see in. Hopefully the username and the password are required. That is we are working alright. So now if empty again, if empty expose false and empty errors is true, we can create user ID I think query. MySQL query is select user ID from users where where username and username and password, and then sorry I need to create cut from here and create nd5 and paste inside, and then again count user mysql num rows. You need to create query variable from here. You can get from here, and then is if counter user is false, you need to echo p error. You need to check your detail. Have you registered? Okay, and else user id mysql result query, that is user id, and then is null comma and session user id okay. Again, I want to create header. For now is echo. I think that is so index.php and question mark login. Okay, and I think inside here you need to create else echo errors. Okay, and the time I want to create class errors, and then color is AA00, and then margin bottom is 30 pixel, and then padding is 20 pixel. Okay, that is very cool. So now I wanna sign in with nothing. That is the username and the password are required. I wanna use wrong detail. Okay, you need to check your detail, and then I wanna insert. Okay, inside here you need to create Bob password and choose MD5 right here, and then is Bob mark. For profile is empty for now, and go. And I wanna you remember, if I successful, I'm go to header location index.php, and then inside index.php I'm gonna create if is set get logged in, and then is logged in we take from here. Okay, and then echo alert success. Well, come back. Okay, let's implement and see. I wanna create Bob password going to be password MD5. You need to check your register. Have you registered? Okay, let's create again. Password going to be password. Okay, we get this. We can also sign in. Alright, that is very cool. We can sign in, and then that's all we need to do in login.php.